Hey,
Hello,
hi,
my name is Anuj.
Anush.
Yes, my name is Anush.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you,
Melanie. My name is Melanie.
Melanie. Okay, so Melanie, where are you from and where are you now?
I'm from Australia and I'm in France.
Okay, you're in France?
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
yeah.
So, how long have you been there?
Since September.
September last year,
Yeah, few
2022.
months.
Okay,
Yeah. What about you? Where are you?
I am from India and I
Hmm.
am in India at this time. The
Cool.
state called Bihar.
Hmm.
Yeah, so I'm from Bihar.
And is that in North or South India?
Actually, I am from Northeast India.
Brilliant.
Yes.
And why are you learning English?
Okay, that's a cool question for me. So, there are several reasons, but the main reason that first of all, communication with foreigners,
Hmm.
because it's my first foreign language,
Hmm.
and it's possible just because of English that I'm talking to you.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
true.
so this is the first reason,
Hmm.
and another reason that when you learn a language, it gives you many chances, right? So that you can communicate with, of course, then you can get in an international company, you can work.
Hmm.
Yes, you can easily connect with native speakers.
Yeah. So you have a lot of
Yes, so there are,
opportunities.
yes, when you learn a foreign language. Yes.
Nice.
And on the other hand, I've got a YouTube channel too,
Yeah.
and there I make videos about English vocabularies and conversation. So I just
Cool.
try to upload conversation video on my channel for my viewers so that they can watch, they can understand, they can improve their vocabulary, and of course they can interact with the new teachers.
Brilliant.
Yeah,
So
with me as
vocabulary
well.
is an uncountable noun. So you can't have
Uh-uh.
vocabularies. It's just
Right.
more vocabulary.
More vocabulary or
Yeah.
vocabularies.
It's an
I
uncountable
can't.
noun. No. So you can have more
Okay.
vocabulary words if you want to make it plural.
Vocabulary words. Are you typing something?
Yeah. Do you have a chat box?
Oh yes. I see. I see. Okay, thank you. I got it.
No
I
worries.
got it.
Cool. So that's cool. How long have you been
How
doing
to
this?
come back?
How long have you been doing this YouTube channel?
I'm sorry, but I don't see you. I
Ah,
wanna come back.
okay. There should be a little X to get out of the chat
I don't see X anywhere on the
on the
screen.
top right, next to your near your name or my name.
No.
No. Um.
Chat. Ah, I see.
Okay.
Chat,
Cool.
chat. Again. Now I
Brilliant.
can see you.
Nice.
Okay,
So
so why did you choose? Tell me, why did you choose uh France?
my boyfriend is French, so we came here for him.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So when did you get married? Are you married or no?
No. 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 Just
Not yet.
boyfriend. Yeah.
Okay. So where did you meet with him?
Him when I was traveling in France, and then we stayed in
Okay.
contact, and then he came to Australia a few times, and now I'm here.
Okay, so now you are in France.
Yeah.
Okay, it's cool. It's cool.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Thank you.
And since you're there for September, right? Since
That's right. Yeah.
September you're there, as
Hmm.
you told me. So what do you like there? What fascinates you in France?
The landscapes are quite beautiful,
Okay.
and you get
So
snow here. We don't get
okay.
snow at home.
So landscape, what do you mean by landscape? You mean natural landscape or
Yeah,
artificial, or what do you mean?
no, so they have lots of fields, so beautiful
Mm-hmm.
green fields with lots of pine trees and oak trees. The rivers are
Palm, what do you say?
pine,
Sorry, pine trees or
pine,
palm tree?
pine.
Pine trees.
Yeah,
Okay, got it, got it.
and
These are beautiful, really.
yeah, I think so.
Pine trees are awesome.
And
Very
the
fascinating, actually.
yeah, you like pine trees too.
No, there are not pine trees here around me,
Mm-hmm.
but I like it. I like it. I've
Yeah,
seen it, so I like it.
nice. And the rivers here are huge. In Australia, we are always short of water, but they have so many rivers here. I love it.
Cool, it's cool.
Yeah.
So you have decided to live there, or
Yeah.
just for a certain period of time?
No, I think we'll live here.
Okay,
Yeah.
as long as possible.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool.
So, how
Okay,
long
so
have you been doing your YouTube channel?
it's not so long, but I would say that it's gonna be around an year. Okay,
Nice. Mm-hmm.
but you can create a channel, but the main reason uh, is uh, how regularly you work for it.
Yeah.
This is
How many
something that
you're
works.
doing? Yeah.
Yes. So these days, since I've joined Cambly, I
Mm-hmm.
just try to upload videos in segment. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
in different segments. I just try to upload videos every single day.
Oh,
Yes.
that's a lot.
Yes, it is very important. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
consistency is important in any work.
That's true.
Yes. So
So,
doesn't matter
ha-
what are you doing, but if it is your target, you need to be consistent.
that's true. If you want to be successful.
Right. That's why. And I just see that it will be so cool to see that how many teachers will I interact with, and how many videos can I upload. I'll be
So,
able to upload on my channel,
what kinds of
including
video?
my videos
Yeah.
as well.
What other videos that you are uploading?
Okay, so conversation video, for example, this one, there's no problem. There is no problem.
So, this is meant to be educational for you.
What do you mean? For me, yes, it
Yeah.
is. It is.